can also leave a comment below to tell us whose unicorn you like.
Congratulations, little hamster! You win our last challenge on the comment.
Yay! If you like our tutorial video, please subscribe and click the bell.
What shall we challenge this time?
I read the comments. There was one audience want us to draw the elephant in the message. Can we challenge the elephant this time?
No problem. I forget to ask you. Can I draw first this time?
No problem, after you. First, I use pencils to draw outline. Then we draw the round eyes and elephant's long trunk, big ears, put a crown on its head. If some part that is not good enough, we can erase it and adjust it. Try to draw the elephant in a chubby way to make it look cute. Use the cup at home as a tool to draw circles. And now let's draw some circles to make the bubble. You can also use saucers. Use blue and purple tone to color the background. When it's nearly done, we can use fingers to even it out. Color can be added by layering with some patience. Area close to the edge can trace paper stump. When we draw the bubbles, we can emphasize on the shiny part. Add some black color. Make the color more versatile. Finally, we use the white ball pen to draw the reflecting area on the bubble. Then we are almost done. the back of the elephant vertically. This one emphasis is on the elephant. The contrast between light and dark on the back of the elephant doesn't need to be very strong. After we draw the bubbles, we can use the orange markers to finish our elephant. We use the darker orange to make the elephant more vivid. We need to be quick when we're using the marker. This way, different colors can be combined, and the gradual change in color is more natural. Remember to color the crown. Use the pink marker to draw the dark part of the body. Its body is basically done. Now we need to color its feet and eyes. Make sure to keep the color inside. Use the black marker to draw the eyeballs and use the white color for the shiny part. Now we are finished. Elephant riding on bubbles. Isn't it cute and cool?
Da-da-da-da. It's done!
Oh, what the? That's so cool. I'm sure that will win our company.
Do you like it?
Awesome, I love it. I will draw my elephant in easy way in our next video. Please don't miss it. I think next time you may win this company.
I'm not sure. Maybe you will win again.
What? No, I don't.
Because you have lots of fans.
Let's see what you guys leave the comment. And we can see who is the winner.
Yes. So see you next time. Bye.
Bye. Dad Hamster, can you help me to do the background?
Of course. What kind of the background you want?